The way the lives work, if you get shot, yell for a medic. Medic comes over to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back in the game, right? If the medic cannot get to you, you'll walk 200 feet away from where you got shot. Once you walk the 200 feet, you're back in the game. They'll count as one life, all right? At the beginning of the turf field, means you walk past you, you'll fire at the generator. Once we're down there, we'll yell game on, all right?